My name is Miller Robinson with Premier Roofing. I'm the owner. We've been in business since 2008. So with the partnership of Splash, our business has really taken off. We used to be one foreman, my wife in the office, one sales guy, and me. And now we're up to 23 employees, 13 trucks, 5 foremen, 6 salespeople, a new office with a new location, and things have just really grown every year. We've grown exponentially for the last 5 years, and we expect just to have a fantastic year. And based upon what we did last year, we were up 39%, and that's really in a huge collaboration with Splash Omnimedia. Let me just say, number one, thank you to Splash Omnimedia for everything they've done and all their team over there. It's been a great experience for us. We've grown exponentially every single year, and we look to continued success with Splash. It's been a great partnership with the guys for a long period of time. We wouldn't trade it for the world. So anybody looking to switch to a new media company, Splash Omnimedia is the company for you.